Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 30. Get ready for the dictation. Start. 4. Several. Special. Reasons. I should like you to come to see me on Wednesday as early as you can. I specially desire you to write out the names of all the firms with which you have had business dealings since you came to us. I shall discuss a new policy with you and the names for which I ask may be of use. I am a bit upset at the refusal of Askew and Benson to take those Eskimo rugs, and I should like to know the reasons for the refusal. I have several subjects besides these, of which I wish to speak to you when I see you on Wednesday. Ask to see me as soon as you arrive. Stop. Thank you.